Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tip of the Week. We got some exciting news. We have a great new product hitting the market. But first, how many of you guys are out on job sites and you get there and you go, hey, can you grab your tape measure? And you go, uh-oh. That was a waste of time. I could have already had that piece measured, cut, ready to go, or something laid out on that project. If you had something like the Quick-E-Barboxx, organizing your tools, having it in place on the job sites, ready to go when you need it and where you need it, can be much more efficient. The Quick-E-Barboxx has an ample amount of storage, has the track system, so you're able to put in any of these implements or latch systems for organizing any of your tools. We have a shelf in here allowing you to put some of your items on that shelf, organizing it the way that you want to. You can essentially fit every tool you need on the job site. You're able to close this top. So now we have a weather-tight area for those tools. We can lock it next morning, unlock, open that thing up, and voila, we get everything we need on that job site, ready to go. This is gonna make your employees extremely happy. I also wanted to add that the Barboxx has fork pockets on either side and the front, so moving it around on your job site's extremely easy, as well as the D-rings on the side for you to chain that down to your trailer so you won't have any issues with it falling off. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button down below. Also wanted to mention that the Barboxx comes in a 6-foot length and a 7-foot length. So you have those two options. Give us a call, let us know what option you want. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this organizational video intriguing and important for your business. If you want to check out some of the other options that we do have, check out this video that's on the screen. Thanks again.
You can sign up for our Tip of the Week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.